Boys and girls, we're at the yellow table. And in your packet, my loves, you should get your R detective paper. R detective. All right, my friends, first thing you're gonna do, my loves, name at the top. You've got this. You're on the ball. I know you are. Fantastic, friends. And this is something that you know what to do. You're gonna get your yellow marker or yellow crayon, and we're going to highlight the word R. And remember, it's not the letter R, it's the word A-R-E. It's so confusing. But I thought if we started to learn about this now, when you get to kindergarten, you say, wait a minute, I know that word. Mrs. Donahue taught me it. R, A-R-E. Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Right? All right, so let's look at the first sentence. A-R-E. Well, for heaven's sakes, there it is. It's the first word. Are you going to the store? No. Let's read the next one. Number 2. We are A-R-E. Well, for heaven's sakes, it's right there. We are staying home. Now, I know that probably Julia and Chloe and Anne-Marie, you guys are probably already done this, so slow down a little bit. Billy and Sue are going to school. I don't really know Billy and Sue. Do you guys? Don't know them. Dinosaurs are extinct. Yes, that is true. Yes, true statement. Flowers are in bloom. Mrs. E said that. Remember? Mrs. E's on the ball, man. So boys and girls, check it out. I did it. A-R-E. Now listen to me. If you say, Miss Donnie, wait, I'm only on number 3. Take your time. Finish it up. Don't rush, okay? It's A-okay. The beautiful thing, boys and girls, about videos is that you can stop it and pause it and finish and then hit play. Is that great or what? You can say, pause. Miss Donnie, I need to go get something to eat. Pause and you and going, right? And then you can just hit play again and we're good to go. So don't worry about a thing. All right, next paper is called Spring Flowers. April showers bring spring flowers, right? Or Mayflowers. So this is a fun one. You put your name at the top, please. Okie dokie. Capital always, letter capital first, friends. And now all we're doing here, my loves, is we're gonna take a marker or a pen or a crayon, pencil, whatever you want to use for your writing implement. And you're going to trace, it says flowers, color the flowers that are cut in half. So, what's half? Half is when you split something so both sides are equal. Both sides are the exact same. If you look at a flower, for example, if you can look at this, Mrs. A, this flower right here, if I draw this line, those two are the exact same. So it says color the flowers. So I would say, oh yeah, baby, you're the exact same. I'm gonna color you right in because you, my darling flower, are cut in half, right? So, and I'm doing a very messy job because I'm doing it so I can show you it, friends. So kind of bear with me here because I know I'm not doing a super fabulous, really detailed job. But I colored him because he's in half. Check this fella out. Is that half? What do you think? No, that's not half. So I know it doesn't say this, but I always like to do it. I'm going to X you out. You are not half, buddy. This is a giant piece, and this is a smaller piece. All right, let's look at our next one, shall we? Let me get a different color. Check it out. Is this half? Are they the exact same? Yes. So we're going to, I just like to trace that line. And then I'm going to color my tulip, right? And he is in half. They both are the exact same size, right? When you fold a paper, boys and girls, and maybe mom and dad say, oh, could you fold this in half for me, son or daughter? Does your dad or mom call you daughter or son? That's interesting. I wonder if they do. Find out for me if they call you that. Let me know. And so then half. Check it out. Same. Let's look at this one. Oh, this is a rose. Check her out. What are we thinking, friends? What are we thinking? Is this half? Absolutely not. No. Look what happened. This is big and this is small. We're going to X that puppy out. Nope. You're not going to do it today, friend. You're not going to do it today. Not today. Not today. Is this half? Yes. Look what they did, boys and girls. They went this way to make it half. These guys are vertical. He went horizontal. We know about vertical and horizontal because you have been learning about making horizontal lines and vertical lines. So this is not new to you, my Kookadook friends, right? So then we're gonna color you in because you, my friend, are in half. Now my last one, are we ready to check it out? Check her out, check her out. Is this half? Oh yeah, baby. Mrs. E, check her out. It is half. That's a beautiful, beautiful half flower right there. So once again, please, please don't rush. Please, please don't look at this and say, oh my gosh. Garrett, Luco, I know that you can do a super job coloring, and I know that your sister Aubrey can help you too, because I think she's a real good colorer. So you guys take your time, and Garrett Kerrigan, you two take your time. Maybe Grayson can help you a little bit. All right, and Bree, you and Drew can work on this together. So look at that. I love it. So, yes, half. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Now down here it says, draw a line on each worm to show half. What? Yikes. This is going to be real tricky. So boys and girls, I'm going to eyeball it and say, I think this is half. And I think this is half. And I think this is half. Oh my gosh. You can decide.
Those are cute little worms.
They're cute little worms. And now I know Clara and I know Everly, you're gonna say, Miss Naya, can I color the flowers? And Arabella and Lila Beth. Yes, Lila, you may color your stems and color your leaves to make your half paper gorgeous. Absolutely, friends. So you've got this, okay, friends? Take your time. Once again, hit pause, finish it up, and then you can hit play, all right? This next one is going to take some time. This is a graphing paper, spring graphing. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our name on it as always, okay? And then this is the tricky part. It says, how many butterflies, how many flowers, how many snails, how many umbrellas, okay? This is a tricky one, and I know that you might need some assistance with this one, so I'm thinking maybe your brothers or sisters, or perhaps your mom and dad, or you could call them your father and mother. Do you do that? You call them father and mother, and they call you son and daughter? Ask them that. That's a funny thing to ask. All right, let's look at this. Mrs. Naya is kind of losing it today. I'm kind of kooky today, you guys. All right, so how many butterflies? All I'm going to do, friends, is tap the butterfly with green, okay? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got them all, friends. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to X out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because that's how many I have. Now, what I'd like to do, because this makes it better for me to see my graph, is then I can color these all in. So boys and girls, now it says how many flowers. So once again, I'm gonna say maybe I'll do pink flowers. Let's count the flowers, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers, so let's count, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Look at what we did, friends. And then look at, there's one more flower than there is butterfly. Do you see that? We had 6 butterflies and 7 flowers. Well, let's find out about that little snail. How many little snails we got going on? Let's check her out. Ready? Whoa. 1, 2, 3. What? That's it? Holy moly, I thought we had more than that. So just 3. So I can just eyeball this, you guys. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. I didn't have to exit, but I can. 1, 2, 3. And now I can color this in. So holy moly. You guys, the snails didn't have a lot at all. The flowers had 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And the butterflies had 1, 2, 3 more. Wow. Let's look at umbrellas, shall we, my pals? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Holy smokes. That's a lot of umbrellas. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Boys and girls, the umbrellas are the winners because he has 9. He's got the most umbrellas today. He's got a lot of umbrellas today. So look at this now. Holy moly. So now you can go back and say, hey, I want to color these now. Sure. Color them what you want. But what's interesting is, check it out. Who has the most? Umbrellas. Who has the least? Snail. How many more does umbrella have than snail? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. So that's a fun paper for you to try. Once again, slow and steady. Don't rush. Take your time. And I wish, part of me is like, oh, I wish I could have all these papers back so I could see how well you're doing with these. But then I know that's really hard to do. So just make me proud, okay? And take your time with that. Okay, on to the craft, my favorite thing to do today. All right, ready? Today we're painting with marshmallows. So I gave you some marshmallows in a baggie. And you're gonna say, wait a minute, what? Can we eat one? Yes, you can. All right, you can eat one, but make sure you eat dinner, lunch, or breakfast, or whatever you're supposed to be having now. And now, here's the thing that Catherine did for me. She went outside and she found me sticks, small sticks. She scoured the yard, which is really easy to do because it's been so windy. There's tons of small sticks in the yard. So go get some small sticks. Again, hit pause, you crazy old kookadooks, and go get some sticks. And then put your marshmallows on because you're gonna paint with these puppies. These puppies are gonna paint for you. God bless you, Sneezy. Sneezy Joe's up there having her ice cream. Yep, she said it was yummy. So look at what I got. I have some marshmallows today. I'm gonna paint with marshmallows today. Now,
I would not want to paint with them. I'd want to toast them over a campfire and eat them.
Mrs. E, I think everyone wants to eat them. So you can eat some as long as your mom and dad say it's okay. I think it's okay because we only gave you like 1 extra. Okay, are we ready? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do first, friends? Check her out. I'm making flowers. So I'm gonna make some stems for my flowers. You can do whatever you want. I'm just doing green with some, green little leaves coming up. I'm just making like a little flower bed, whatever, flower garden. I'm just, whoa, yay. Drawing some lines. Easy peasy, whatever you want to do, okay? And now, dun, 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 I'm not gonna mix my colors. I'm gonna be gentle. Here, a little yellow. There's yellow. Oh, I'm kind of messy. It's supposed to come out like fabulous. Oh, this one looks better. Look at that. La, 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 la. I did it. Now let me do a different color. The blue is really chunky and like goopy. I don't know why, you guys. When I was filling the baggies, I was like, what is going on? Look at this one. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look what I'm doing. You can do whatever you want, you guys, and make like however you want to do your flowers. All right, now I'm gonna do some red. Red, red. Get in your bed, right? Let's rhyme it. Red, bed, said, med, ped, ked. Look at that. This one's kind of kooky though. Now, let's see, what else can I do here? Maybe I'm gonna take this blue and go around the red. Oh, I have to do more blue. Remember I told you blue is kind of gunky. I don't know why. Is gunky a word?
I don't think so.
We don't think it's a word. I'm just making up words, boys and girls. Probably I'm gonna get in trouble for that. Maybe I'll get some emails saying, gunky is not a word. Just kidding. I don't think anyone's gonna email me about that. All right, there we go. Now how about some red, red, go to bed. I'll pretend this is a fire flower. Whoa, I'm on fire. Yep, look at me. Guys, you can do whatever you want, all right? You can do whatever you want for flowers. This is your creation. Now, I wanna mix colors now. So, here's some red. I wanna add some blue. What colors do you think red and blue would make, friends? What do you think, Mrs. E?
I think purple.
Mrs. E thinks purple, she thinks purple, purple, purple. I don't know, it looks pretty ugly to me.
I see purple from here.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't know, it kind of looks ugly-ish. Do you guys think it looks ugly or pretty?
Well, now
I
it
vote
changed.
ugly.
Before I saw purple.
All right, hold on, let me add some more blue. How's that looking? You see purple?
Yes, I do. So if you, yes.
Oh yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
It's a
I mean,
very
it's
dark
not a
purple.
pretty purple, but it's okay. Now, I'm gonna make yellow and blue. What's yellow and blue make, everybody?
Green.
Let's see if it makes green, Mrs. E. Oh, you guys. Hey, you guys. You're gonna have to ask Alexa in Google. Hey Google, in what movie does the people say, "Hey, you guys"? Hopefully you know it.
You have to give another clue.
What's another clue, Kath? I don't know. Ew, it's a gross green. Sorry, I'm not a fan.
It looks like pea soup.
It looks like pea soup. Yuck. Boys and girls, did you know I hate pea soup? Nope, I can't eat it. It just grosses me right out. Mrs. E, you like pea soup?
I do, actually.
Look at it, it's gross. Ew, that's a disgusting color. What color could I add to it, Mrs. E? More blue? Yuck. What happened, boys and girls? I'm not a very good color mixer. All right, I'm done. I'm done playing.
How about orange and,
Red and yellow? Oh, red and yellow, she said. All right, well, hold on. I'm kind of, all right, so red and yellow. I'm making a big mess on my paper, you guys, so
go ahead.
if you do this, if you guys do this, you know, maybe you have a bigger piece of paper to do this with, because I don't want parents to get cranky and say, well, you made up, they were making a big giant mess. Blah, blah, blah. Say, sorry, my teacher said.
It should make orange.
It does. This doesn't look too bad, right? Yeah, that's not bad,
orange.
Mrs. E. We'll add a little more. Yeah.
That's a pretty color.
Yeah, that's not bad. All right. Super fun. Loved it. I love getting messy. You know I do. I love to play. Super fun. Enjoy this craft. Maybe do it outside if you want, if that helps out with your moms and dads. Maybe they have a business call and everyone has to be so quiet, because at my house, this is what we do. Everyone be quiet. Mr. Donahue's on a business call. Molly's on a call. Sarah's in the class, and we're like this. Like that. That's what we have to do, because, you know. So if you, maybe someone's having a call, you do this, and that'll be super fun. I am excited about this paper though, this graphic paper. So can you take your time on that? I wish I could see it, but I can't. But take your time on that though. I really would like to see how you make out on that, because I know like I feel like Lavinia and Josie would do really well with that too, because Lavinia's eye has an eye to detail, and Shaylee maybe Lachlan would be good with that with a little bit, right? And the half paper too. Lachlan's kind of good at building and whatnot, and Matthew and Clara. So check that out. And Lukey Dukes, I know you're gonna like this, because you're like me, like to get a little kooky. All right, friends, meet you over for story.